honey.
Good morning. I'm late.
What do you have to do today?
Record a song at the studio. Okay, bye. I'm on it! You really should just replace the hinges. They've been there forever. No, just use a product with a silicone base. It doesn't work. You tried it before, just buy a new door. It's much easier. You just put stuff on it last week. Spray it again. Hang on, guys. I think I know what you need. PL-100. PL-100 does the trick. Don't forget, one drop's enough.